Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how you can enable global privacy control while using DuckDuckGo on Windows. GPC is a powerful signal that tells websites you don't want your data sold or shared. Let's get started. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly talk about what global privacy control is. GPC is a browser-based setting that communicates your privacy preferences to websites. It's like a do not sell my data signal that works across the web. While DuckDuckGo is already a privacy-focused search engine, enabling GPC adds an extra layer of protection. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your Windows device. Once the browser is open, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Settings. Scroll down to the Privacy section. Look for the option labeled Global Privacy Control. Toggle the switch to enable it. That's it. You've successfully enabled Global Privacy Control in DuckDuckGo on Windows. This helps reduce online tracking and enhances your privacy while browsing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.